These are the photos of Windmill Island Gardens. We went during the week and later found out that the parade would have been Thursday and on the weekends, so we missed that part. But this was the first time I was at the Holland Tulip Festival, and I just absolutely loved seeing the different colors of tulips. It was just amazing, and this whole area was just gorgeous. This sign is so interesting to read, so set it on pause so you can read it all. Daniel stayed down with Libby and I went up into the windmill. It was like just under 50 steps up, but to see all the floors and their purposes and how this windmill is used was interesting. These are photos of the De Clamp Wooden Shoe and Delftware Factory. We're back at the campsite at Holland State Park where we spent several days, and this is Ottawa Beach located in that park. The yellow tulips form a windmill design. When we were in Elkhart, Indiana, we met a couple who had been to Holland already, and they suggested going to the Holland Bowl Mill. And so it's a stop. We looked it up online for the address, and we were really glad that we took that tour. It was very, very interesting.
Hi. How are you?
These are all the bowls for sale, and she told us about the drying and the dipping in mineral oil, and the waxing with beeswax is over here. And now we are
Yeah, so 90% come from Michigan and the rest come from Ohio and Indiana.
we do engraving in this section, and
So over here is where the cutting boards and the outboards, they're drawn out on a huge board and they're cut out over here. So you'll see different boards like that have different wood types that are placed together. They're gonna run through this planer because there'll be different sizes. You want to smooth that out and make it even. So shavings from the wood are sent out on this conveyor. This is brought back over there, and we use that for local horse farms and stuff like that for animal bedding, except for the walnut. So over here is our utensils. They're handmade. They also make trees and the snowmen and stuff like that on the lays over here. We have our one and only CNC machine over here. Make the utensils, which gets those out faster for our wholesale companies.
Today is Thursday morning. We are getting all set to leave after 3 nights here in Holland, Michigan. This is the very far end of the campground, and everything is sandy dunes, and here's the beach in the distance. I'll zoom in. They clear the sand away every morning because there's a basketball court there, and here I'll just zoom over. Always a little haze in the distance. It's been very humid. Today is a little cooler, but I'm not sure. We're heading north now, so we'll be going up to Ludington, Michigan. I'm just out walking the dog. She's trying to find a grassy area here, and she already has a tick on her. Immediately she gets 2-3 ticks in this area, but she insists on going here. Ugh. So I'll try to get her out of here. The Grand Haven Musical Fountain is a synchronized display of water and lights in Grand Haven, Michigan, located on Dewey Hill on the north shore of the Grand River, not far from the Grand's mouth at Lake Michigan and Grand Haven State Park. Shows run Memorial Day through Labor Day.